Do you want to try this too?
Not really. Actually, skipping rope is boring. I guess I'll just go home.
No way, dear. That's not right. One egg is enough, trust me.
Wait, I'll use one more egg and it's gonna be perfect.
Mom and Dad found something fun to do as well. I'm now going to shake you so fast, Yumuk, and it'll be so much fun. Come on, Yumuk. And now... come on. How was that? It was too much fun, I'll bet.
Did you see where Mutlu went?
I think that he went up to his room.
Let me go and get him. That way we can all play together.
Ooh, there are so many marvelous tools around your home here.
Welcome, Mutlu. I was trying to find out why tangerines are so very delicious.
That sounds great.
Hey, Manny, come quickly. I was chatting with the ants out there. Their house is so huge, you should see it.
Really? Wait, I'm coming. You can stay here, Mutlu, but don't touch anything. I'll be back in a second.
How nice. They all have friends and they're having so much fun. But I am... That's cool. I'll just take a look around as well.
Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everywhere I've ever